Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Monday, November 7th. The time changed this weekend. You know what that means? It gets dark really early. I'm just out here pre-fitting some of the frames to the cold frame. Now, if you remember, we came out here with the tape measure earlier this year. We laid out where our bales are going to be based off of the size of our frame. We made a square. We've planted in here several times, and then I'll show you what we're going to do with this frame. These are just out here to test fit. I need one more frame, probably add another bale there. But it's not going to freeze until Wednesday, and we still haven't caught that groundhog. Now, I purposely did not plant right here simply because we're going to need a place right in the center so we can lift this up and to get in and out of here. Now, if you would have shown up just a few minutes earlier, you could have seen me wrestle this up to this point. So we're about halfway on that bale. We're about halfway on the back bale, which puts us on this bale. We're well over on that bale. We've got a little space there. I'm going to slide it over a little bit. This is only acting as a frame for the plastic. As long as it barely fits, you're good to go. Now, one of the things we found out is you want to kind of have this hinge. With the plastic on here, when you go to lift up, there's enough weight, you're going to want to push this back. So if you add a hinge, just basically a stake, pound that down in your bale. And I just have this old piece of pipe, and I'm going to put duct tape on this so I don't have to worry about it poking through the plastic. Okay, now we're preset. I'll show you how this works. When we go to open this, you got something to push against, and it opens right up. And then we're going to have a stake that we can put here and just lean this on, and this will stay open. But for right now, I'm just going to leave this closed, and maybe that'll keep that groundhog out. And for all the new friends of this channel, if you've been wondering why we have those frames against the fence back there, it is for the cold frames. Riley gets bored when we're setting up the cold frames, but he's a good helper in the garden. And that's how you set up an easy, inexpensive cold frame. The only thing we have to do is drape the plastic over it. We'll be ready for the cold weather, and it is a-coming. If you want to know more about cold frames, click that link right there, and we'll meet you back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Did you get them? Did you get them? Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.